Alrighty, I just want to do a quick little review of the old-fashioned gumball machine and bank. Purchase it at Lowe's. Just almost $100. It does operate on any coin, glass, metal. Actually, this is solid. I don't know about that, but that feels like metal. It's actually really nicely put together for the price. It is a little short. It's next to my couch. I don't know, maybe 4 feet. The instructions, not that great, of course, like with everything else. I did find them on the YouTube channel, made it a lot easier. You can adjust the amount of candy that comes out. Or you can make it so or it will free spin without anything. Got this from my office, so there's always candy left. People come in and take too much candy, so at least now they got to put some kind of coin in there. Should always be something left. Can pretty much do any hard candy. You don't want to put anything sticky in there. No chocolate, of course. Pretty heavy. I'd say 25 pounds, this whole thing, with the candy in it. Pretty decent quality. I would buy it again. We'll see how it lasts.